You've heard the hype. Just skip breakfast. Eat only one meal a day. They say intermittent fasting is the miracle cure for weight loss. So you try it. You starve yourself until 2 p.m. You ignore the hunger pangs. And instead of looking like a fitness model, you start feeling anxious. Your hair starts thinning. You can't sleep. And the scale, it stops moving. Here is the truth that the bros on the internet won't tell you. Women cannot fast like men. Men have a 24-hour hormone cycle. They are resilient. Women? We are complex. Our bodies are designed to protect our fertility and our hormones. If you fast too aggressively, your body thinks it is in a famine and shuts down your metabolism. Today, I'm going to teach you the Goldilocks Method. Not too long, not too short. The exact fasting window that burns belly fat without wrecking your thyroid or your adrenal glands. To understand why we fail at fasting, we have to talk about our old enemy, cortisol. Fasting is a stressor. That is actually the point. A little bit of stress is good. It cleans out old cells, a process called autophagy. But for a woman over 40, who is likely already dealing with perimenopause, work stress, and family stress, a 16 or 18-hour fast is often the straw that breaks the camel's back. When you push a fast too long, your body panics. It spikes cortisol to keep you alert. And what does high cortisol do? It dumps sugar into your bloodstream and tells your body to store fat in the belly. So, you are starving yourself, but your body is hormonally in storage mode. We need to find the sweet spot. If you are new to this, or if fasting has made you feel terrible in the past, I want you to start with the 12-hour reset. This is simple. You finish dinner by 7 p.m. and you don't eat breakfast until 7 a.m. Anyone can do this. You are sleeping for most of it. Why does this matter? It takes about 10 to 12 hours for your body to burn through the glycogen, sugar, stored in your liver. Once that sugar is gone, your body has to switch to burning fat. By hitting 12 hours, you are just touching that fat-burning zone, but you aren't stressing your body out. Do this for 7 days before you try anything else. Once you master 12 hours, we move to the magic number for women, 14 hours. Most studies on women show that the benefits of fasting, fat loss, insulin sensitivity, mental clarity, peak around 14 hours. After that, the cortisol risks start to go up. So you finish dinner at 7 p.m. and you push breakfast to 9 a.m. That's it. You don't need to wait until noon. You don't need to skip lunch. Just delay breakfast by a couple of hours. This 14-hour window gives you a solid 2 to 3 hours of pure fat burning every single morning, but it is gentle enough that your hormones feel safe. Okay, this is where 90% of people ruin it. You fasted for 14 hours. Your insulin is low, your body is sensitive. If you break that fast with a bagel, a muffin, or a sugary vanilla latte, K-boom! Your blood sugar spikes harder than if you hadn't fasted at all. You will be exhausted and starving by 11 a.m. You must break your fast with protein and fat. No naked carbs. Think. Hard-boiled eggs, a protein shake, Greek yogurt, or leftovers from dinner. When you eat protein first, you keep that blood sugar curve nice and gentle. You extend the benefits of the fast even after you start eating. I have to address the number one question. Can I have coffee? Yes. Black coffee or tea is fine. It does not break your fast. But if you are adding just a splash of almond milk, or a scoop of collagen, or a little stevia, you are technically breaking the fast. We call this dirty fasting. For weight loss, it might be okay. But if you want to lower your insulin levels, which is the root cause of the belly fat, try to keep it clean. Just water, black coffee, or tea during the fasting window. Fasting is a tool, not a religion. If you try 14 hours and you feel dizzy or angry, hangry, stop. Eat something. Listen to your body. Start with 12 hours, 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. Aim for 14 hours, the Goldilocks Zone for women. Break with protein. Never break a fast with sugar or carbs. You don't have to suffer to see results. Be kind to your hormones, and they will be kind to your waistline. I want to know, have you tried fasting before? Did it work, or did it make you feel crazy? Tell me your experience in the comments. Hit that like button if you want more hormone-safe tips, and subscribe to True Lose Zone. I'll see you in the next video. Always check the description area for books that will help and workout gear for home to get back into shape.